No matter how great your visuals are, poor sound can instantly turn viewers away. For beginner filmmakers looking to elevate their projects, this audio recorder is a great option. Audio recorder offers easy use and professional sound quality, making it an important tool in your filmmaking toolkit. I myself have been using this audio recorder for several years and I'm extremely satisfied with it, thanks to its high quality sound, wide range of features and user-friendly interface. So let's have a look at some of its features. Tascam DR-07X provides all of the essential tools needed for quality sound recording and offers enough advanced features for those who want to experiment and develop their skills. This recorder is pretty minimalistic. Its ergonomic design and intuitive button layout make it easy to operate without complicated settings. The large backlit display provides clear information on recording status and settings, simplifying navigation through the recorder's interface. Thanks to the 1/4-inch adapter on the bottom, the recorder can be mounted on a microphone or camera stand or a tripod. On the left side, there is a hold switch to lock the buttons, along with 3.5mm headphone jack for sound monitoring. This lets you listen to the audio in real time to ensure it's clean and free from unwanted noise or distortion. On the other side, there is a slot for a micro SD card and a USB port, making it easy to connect the recorder to a computer and use it as a USB audio interface for Zoom meetings or direct recording to a computer. The backlit display allows you to monitor the recording process in real time so that you can record sound between -20 and -12 decibels. Your audio should be neither too weak nor too strong. If the signal level is too high, the red peak indicator light will activate. With this right and left button, you can easily adjust the input level as required. Correctly adjusting the input level will ensure that the signal remains clear and distortion-free. The recorder is powered by 2 batteries, offering up to 17 hours of recording time, so you don't have to worry about running out of power during a session. The USB port can also be used for charging the recorder in case you don't have any batteries. Okay, now let's talk about the most important reason you will be getting this recorder, the sound quality. The recorder is equipped with 2 directional microphones that allow high-resolution stereo recording. The microphones on the Tascam DR-07X can be set to 2 different stereo angles, AB and XY. AB is great for capturing a wide spatial sound and atmosphere. XY position is more suitable for recording close-up dialogues or studio sessions. Currently, I'm recording sound in XY position directly through the integrated directional microphones. And if you want to prevent these microphones from recording unwanted sounds, you can place a pop filter on top of them. The Tascam DR-07X also features a 3.5mm stereo input for external microphones, allowing you to connect various types of microphones according to your needs. Personally, I often use lavalier microphones from Rode with this audio recorder. Additionally, the Tascam DR-07X has a built-in speaker for quick playback and reviewing your recording. The built-in speaker is very useful for basic monitoring and quick adjustments. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. If you have any questions, comments, feel free to leave them down below, and thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. Tschüss!